Hi everyone, it's Danielle from Rosetta Vera. I have a box to open today. It is the warehouse box from Echo Park Paper. I ordered this a couple of weeks ago for $50. I think it's supposed to be over $100 worth of supplies from Echo Park. So I wanted to open this on camera for you. Because the box is so big, I'm actually going to move it to the side so that you can see everything in it. So just give me a second to do that. So let's see what we have here. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this stamp set, and it's cowboy themed. You can see it says boots, hats, and cowboy chaps. So you have a couple of writers here. So that's cute. So those are acrylic stamps. The next thing I'm seeing is some washi tape, and it's 30 feet of summertime, and this is by Echo Park Paper. And I may say that a couple times in the video because Echo Park also carries, I think it's Carta, and there's another brand that carry, I can't think of offhand, but I'll probably come across it. So that's the washi tape there. And it's called Summer Flowers washi tape. Okay. Then we have some puffy stickers from Carta. And this is the Flower Garden collection. Let's see. Here. Then we have some decorative rub-ons from Echo Park, and they're called Wish Upon a Star. Next, I'm seeing an embossing folder, and it's called Magic and Wonder, and it kind of goes with that Wish Upon a Star. Kind of, I'm thinking like Disney themed without explicitly being Disney. So you have that embossing folder there, and this is like a 5x6 size. It's called Magical Castles. Okay. And these rub-ons we'll call Wish Upon a Star. Okay. So let's put those to the side. The next thing I have is a 12x12 paper pad, and that is for Magical Birthday Boy, and there's 24 single-sided pages in here. Let me see if I can find some scissors. I can flip through them really quickly. I'm thinking about doing some videos just flipping through some paper pads I have in case people are curious about the styles. Oh, there we go. So just a quick flip through here. So there's 24 sheets in there. And even though it says Magical Birthday Boy, I'm not really seeing anything that screams boy just yet. I'm sure as I go along there's probably something that says boy. Yeah, here's Birthday Boy. Here's Birthday Boy, but a lot of them just say Magical Birthday. So it could be either or any gender. So that's that. Okay, put that to the side. Next, I have, before I go into that, I also have a 6x6 paper pad of Wish Upon a Star. And let's see if we can open that. I don't buy a lot of 6x6, only because since I usually do cards in 4x6, I find it to be an awkward size. But since I'm trying to use my supplies differently, I'm sure I can find a use for it. Oops, that's really tight. So these are 24 double-sided papers. So unlike the big pad, these are double-sided. But the colors are very similar to the Magical Birthday Boy. Alright. Next, I have some chipboard accents. And these are Echo Park also. And this is Adventure Awaits. Oh, I'm losing light. I think it's about to start raining. So I may have to come back and do this tomorrow. We're going through a heat wave here, so yeah, I see the clouds rolling in. I may have to stop. Let me see what else I can get out. Next, we have some chipboard accents, and this is also from Echo Park, and this is Coffee. Let's see. Yeah, it's called Coffee. I don't know if I'm going to finish this in time, guys. There's quite a bit in this box, and the clouds are rolling in from the right. Then we have a 6x6 paper pad. It's called Scenic Group, and these are, again, 24 double-sided papers. Let me see if I can open this real quick. And I was sitting here saying, do I want to open this today or tomorrow? And I said, no, let me do it today. And now I'm going to lose the light. So here you have a quick look at pages in there. Definitely travel themed. Okay. Next we have, let's see, these look like paper pieces. They are. And it's two of the same one. Try to be careful with these because I don't want them to pop out. So, these are different little cutouts, paper cutouts. I'm trying to see what the name of the collection is. It isn't on here anywhere. Sorry about that. I may have to look it up to see what collection this is. And there's two of these in there. Next, I have some paper that was loose in a box. And it's called from the Scoop collection by Dina Butter. So these are scooped border strips. These are 12 by 12, definitely. And this is Echo Park. So there's 3 pages, 3 sheets in there. And on the opposite, you can see the border strips. I'm glad they gave me more than one, because what I like to do is use the pattern side like as a background side and then use the border strips. So it gives me a few more options with the same piece of paper, because a lot of times what I'll do is kind of figure out, if I only have one sheet, I'll figure out which borders I really, really want and cut those off and then use the rest for cards. So that's good. Then we have this set. It's called Back to School by Lori Whitlock, and it contains 12 double-sided papers, 12 by 12 double-sided papers, 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, and this is a back to school collection kit. Since I'm losing light, what I may do is come back and open these and show you everything in them and kind of stick that in. Then this is by Echo Park. Then we have another set from Carta, and this is Rustic Elegance by Details to Enjoy. And this is like for weddings. So this comes with 12 by 12 double-sided texture papers, and you probably hear the thunder, and then a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. Again, I'm probably going to just open these up and show you everything. I'll probably film that tomorrow when it's not raining, and then stick them in. Then we have another set here from Carta. This is Botanical Garden. And the same, it has 12 double-sided textured papers and a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. We have another set here called Best Summer Ever. And just like the other kits, you get 12 pieces of paper and stickers. And then we have Summer Dreams. That's also a set. Same thing, 12 pieces of paper and a sticker sheet. We go back to the magical papers. This is Magical Adventure 2. And that's a set. And then, I think this is the last thing in here. We have, we have Christmas Delivery by Details to Enjoy. And this is also a 12 by 12 paper set with stickers. So that is everything that came in the box. I would definitely say that there's more than $50 worth of supplies in here. Just from my own experience buying sets like this. Sometimes a set like this could be, you know, $15, $20 by itself. And you're talking about, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets. And then the stamps and stickers, I would definitely say it's more than $50 worth of supplies. Overall, I'm happy with what I got. There's some overlap and similarity in the color schemes. I mean, there's definitely a lot of that magical stuff in here. And I'm wondering if that was a collection that came out maybe spring or fall that they're trying to get rid of. I know certain times of the year, Echo Park has a warehouse sale in person, and they do these boxes. So it's definitely a time when they're clearing out inventory. I would probably say the only thing I wish was different, I would have liked to get another stamp set versus 7 sets of paper and stickers, because I've got plenty of paper and stickers, or, you know, some more washi. I would have liked to get some of the things that I don't normally get from Echo Park. I think in the past when I've bought Echo Park, I've bought paper. I've definitely bought papers and stickers before. So it would have been nice to get some of the items that I might not necessarily always think of Echo Park for. The embossing folder, happy to get. I have a cutting machine that I've had forever that I really just need to play around with. So it's nice to add embossing folders and die cuts to the die cutting machine. So that's great. But I mean, I think if you're talking about money wise, it definitely is a great value. The reason I decided to pick this up is because years ago I picked up a mystery box from Webster's Pages, and I was like so pleased with it that I was like, you know, the next time something like this comes up at one of the manufacturers, I'm definitely going to take advantage of it. So I kept seeing Echo Park, and I said, you know what, let me grab that. So I'm glad that I did. Other than that, I guess that's about it. Okay, everyone, that's everything in the scrap kits. Again, thank you for taking the time to check out this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. And if I hear about those warehouse boxes coming up again, I'll try to do a quick update to this. I think the best way to find out about the Echo Park warehouse box is just to sign up to their mailing list on their website. I'll put that below. I'll also put the name of the collections that were in the box below in case you just want to check those out on your own. And I'll see you guys in the next video.